Hello people, how are we? Alex here again down at Al's Drum School. You're tuning in for this week's isolation special of Rudiment of the Week. So this week guys, we're going to take a little look at the Single Dragadiddle. Over the past month we've been looking at the drag family, and this is going to be our next one in succession. So the Single Dragadiddle is a mix between a drag and a paradiddle. What happens at the front of each paradiddle is we add a drag in. Now we don't keep the first note of the paradiddle, we're swapping that out for the drag. As opposed to our single drag where we have the full drag and then a strike, with the Single Dragadiddle we in fact are kind of playing it a little bit backwards. We're kind of playing with a left hand first for the front half and a right hand first for the second half. And I'll show you what I mean by that, guys. We start with a drag on the right hand into a left, right, right. So we're swapping out the right of the right, left, right, right, the first right hand for the drag. And that looks and sounds like this. Right, right, left, right, right. The second half, same principle applies. We're swapping out the first left-hand single stroke for the drag. So we get left, left, right, left, left. So I'm going to play that nice and slow. And again, I'm going to put the sticking down here for you guys to check out. It's going to look and sound like this. Right, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, left. So you also can now, if you want to, you can put an accent on that drag at the beginning. So that's going to sound like this. The Single Dragadiddle, guys. I'm going to play that up at tempo now for you so you can hear what it sounds like a little bit faster. There we have it, guys, the Single Dragadiddle. Have a little go at home this week. Keep practicing. You've got plenty of time to get the practice in now. I hope you're all staying safe out there, guys. And just a reminder, all lessons down here at Al's Drum School are online. So wherever you are in the world, you can jump online with me. We can work on this rudiment. We can work on whatever you want. All things drumming. I hope you're all staying safe, and the biggest love from Al's Drum School.